GJ3378b is a planet located outside our solar system. It orbits a small star called GJ3378, about 25 light-years away from Earth. On the scale of our galaxy, this is relatively close, which is why the planet immediately attracted the attention of astronomers. The star is a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are much smaller, cooler, and dimmer than the Sun. Because of this, a planet can orbit very close to a red dwarf without receiving more energy than Earth receives from the Sun. GJ3378b completes one orbit around its star every 21.5 days. By comparison, Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun. However, this does not mean the planet is extremely hot. Since its star gives off much less energy than the Sun, the amount of heat reaching the planet is much lower than its short orbit might suggest. Scientists estimate that GJ3378b receives about 91% of the energy that Earth receives from the Sun. In other words, the amount of light and heat reaching the planet is remarkably similar to what Earth experiences. The planet is estimated to have a mass about 2.3 times greater than Earth's. This makes it larger and more massive than our planet, placing it in a category known as super-Earths. Super-Earths are planets that are bigger than Earth but much smaller than gas giants like Neptune or Jupiter. Based on the available data, astronomers believe GJ3378b is most likely a rocky planet. However, this has not been confirmed directly because the planet has never been observed visually. GJ3378b lies within its star's habitable zone. This is the region around a star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, provided the planet has a suitable atmosphere. The atmosphere is currently the biggest unknown. Scientists do not know whether GJ3378b has one at all. They have not detected water, clouds, oceans, or any signs of life. At this stage, none of these possibilities can be confirmed or ruled out. The planet was not discovered by taking a picture of it. Instead, astronomers detected tiny movements of its star caused by the planet's gravity. By measuring these movements, they were able to determine the planet's orbit and estimate its mass. Today, GJ3378b is considered one of the most interesting nearby exoplanets. Not because we already know a great deal about it, but because it is close enough to Earth that future telescopes may be able to study it in much greater detail. Those observations could reveal whether the planet has an atmosphere and what conditions actually exist on its surface.